Do we say anything for the start of this, or do we just jump right in?
Hello!
That's good enough. All right.
That's good enough.
Hello, it's me, Goblin Smith.
Hello,
Welcome to-
everyone. Welcome to Funny Fellas.
Welcome to Funny Fella.
Big mouth.
Hello, welcome to Goblin Guy Drawing. Is it who I think it is?
The annoying orange.
See, I could have done that.
It is not who I thought it. It is not who I thought it was.
He's
It's
Hello,
Orang.
everyone.
It's Orang, man. Hold on. Can we pull
I
up
like
the
how
image?
sharp one of his fingers
Can we
is.
pull
Can
up
we
the
pull up an
of
image?
Orang?
Sure, I'll put an
Oh,
image on screen.
oh,
Yeah, get Orang, man.
what are you doing?
Alright, sure.
Deforming him.
Make him rotatey. Give him a trip to the Gravitron.
He's gone.
We'll make there we
Spheroid.
go.
Oh, he's real and he's coming alive.
Give him like eyeliner. Eyeliner annoying orange.
Alright, that's alright.
Okay.
Eyeliner annoying orange.
No, not the lips. Hell.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Funny Fellas.
Rotate him. Kill him.
Becoming a bear.
Oh no.
You're an apple. You're an apple.
Let's see what other buttons are there.
Too many
We
buttons.
can dehydrate him.
I'd love
Do
to
it.
do that.
I'm trying to figure out the button. I'm trying to figure out how to dehydrate him now.
Annoying
Oh,
orange.
it's because I'm not drawing him anymore.
Yeah, Bobby.
Stupid.
Bro said car keys.
Now what?
Goblin.
Draw a goblin and dehydrate it.
I quite like goblins. I call myself the goblin enthusiast.
Goblins are real.
Goblins are real.
Goblins are real.
I hate that goblins are like the funniest thing to me in current year. Why are you turning him into Simpson Goblin?
I'm not. I'm just.
Oh, the cheekbones. This is so awesome.
For the rock.
Wait, he's
Dwayne the Gob Johnson.
Dwayne the Rock Goblin.
Are you gonna make a throw gang signs?
Dehydrated.
That's awesome.
Zangy.
Rotate him. Trip to the Gravitron.
Hello, welcome to Domino.
Turn into a dinosaur.
This is so awesome. They call him the Stickers Jonathan. Flying.
Oh, oh! He got sent.
He was holding on for dear life. What do I draw now?
It could be
Can
whatever.
you draw
you want.
Tony the Tiger from the cereal?
From
Cereal flakes.
Yes, I love it. 20
From breakfast.
Just so we can kill him.
From breakfast.
From breakfast. From 9 a.m. this morning.
From approximately 11 o'clock. That's Banjo.
It is Banjo. There. No, it's not Banjo anymore.
Okay, you also gotta add the funny tiger stripe.
Tiger. Oh yeah, because he's a tiger, not a cat.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't eat loser cereal.
He also has a bandana.
Can you give him a cigarette?
No, like around his neck.
My. You can't race in this mode.
He's smoky.
Can you give him a middle finger?
I already drew his hands.
Okay, just kill him then.
Star over.
Murder. You could like wave the smoke around.
Oh yeah, I could.
Yeah.
Looking around, seeing if the kids aren't watching.
Man, smoking pot is great.
He got put in the coordinator.
Get sent to the tar.
Turn into a Mario brother.
Oh god, he's coming out of the tower.
Oh.
Nice.
Can you draw Mario stomping the penguin in?
Okay.
The little baby penguin, can you draw him stomping its head in? This is going really well.
I'm already invested.
Why'd you give him Rayman nose?
I love this so far.
Is that the remains?
Yeah.
All that was left of a penguin.
Give him evil cartoon villain mustache.
You can twirl his mustache. Like
Oh,
like
I
evil
could.
cartoon.
There we go.
Here he goes.
If you like grab onto a piece, here, watch. The entire thing just collapses on itself.
Grab onto his nose.
Wait, I'm gonna. No.
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 You reset it. Someone reset it for me. Someone press a button. Oh, no! Did you want me to do?
Johnny.
Grab his nose and then twirl him.
Oh, it got long.
What is I with him?
I need you to draw a guy based off this description.
Okay.
Long nose McSniffer.
I thought it was gonna be like like one of those guys who like draw criminals.
Nah, no,
Like
no,
a-
draw long nose McSniffer.
Please
I'm
give
gonna
me
go
that.
get my melatonin.
He's gonna come back. It's gonna be like.
Bro got those. Nah. Bro's got those Rocco proportions.
Smelt the
Big
pie.
nose sniffer.
Drake when he smelled that pie.
He's getting sucked in. What just. This is stupid. This one's
I have to take melatonin. We need like a quick 5 so I can take these pills without choking.
Alright, I'll draw something normal for once. I'll draw.
Actually,
I got one more pill. I have to do this quickly.
Okay. You gotta do it swift.
Can you guess who it is?
Is it yo?
Oh, it's stuck in my throat. Come on.
Is it?
Yoshi!
That's who it is.
Hello everyone, this is Yoshi.
It reminds me of the children, the like child's drawing of Yoshi from the Cute Mario Bros. Video. What I kept making fun of.
In the box with the crusty lizards.
I was gonna watch this video.
Box with
The
the
child's
stuff.
gonna see this video and be so upset. You're making
Whoa.
loss. You're making loss, somebody.
Make him us again.
Oh.
Hey, this is the second time.
Peter.
This is Sol.
I knew it. The hair threw me off.
Thanks.
It doesn't really look like Sol. It just kind of looks like an emo.
Kill him.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
He got slurped. It's in the Zoo Books commercial.
The big mouth.
The big mouth.
The tiger.
Big mouth. Big mouth.
Oh, this is looking awesome so far.
He's slurping.
Slurping Zach.
Slurpy, glurpy.
What is slurping?
This big drink.
I can't unsee those like little like I guess wrinkles in the straws like Zach.
Oil.
Just his face. You just made like literal Zach.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh, wait.
It's Mr. Frog.
Chris, what would you do if you were being slurped by a giant man and he was drinking oil? What did you do? He's looking down at him. And he goes, oh my god, and he spits him out.
Thanks.
I'm gonna go get another water. I have no idea what's going to go on while I'm out of my room, but I Have fun.
Well, now it's just Zach Hadel.
Zach.
Zach Hadel.
I'm like a really realistic ear.
He has so much detail. Oh my god.
Only for 1 minute you just made Zach.
He's just got goblin feet and a really detailed ear.
Zach and his big nostril.
That's what it sounds like.
Took everything but his nose.
It saved the best for
His
last.
nose would go back in.
It was a 5-course meal and the nose was the finisher. This is
Oh,
the
it's
man who
Heisenberg.
knocks.
Heisenberg.
Eisenberg.
Heisenberg.
Captain Underpants, you're the one who knocks.
Oh,
It's Heisenberg.
Die.
Weird up.
I
This
am
is
the one
why-
who flaps. This is stupid. Got crumbled.
I hate Frank.
Sudden cameo appearance by Frank.
By Frankster Crankster.
We'll draw Pyro.
I love Pyro.
I was gonna say bro got pew shooter.
I love Pyro.
The one class I always play, even if the team doesn't need it. Got like chicken nugget shaped head. McDonald's like chicken nugget boot shape.
Nice hat. Bro wearing that little Timmy hat.
Looking around now. He's getting angry.
Oh, he's
Like
getting
a
mad.
Charging up.
He's
It's
getting
like,
mad.
it's just like lips now.
Homer!
Oh my, it's Phineas! It's Phineas!
It's like Phineas Homer.
It's Finny.
Phineas Homer.
Ferg. Phineas and Ferg. This Vinny. I guess I gotta kill you.
Can you draw like a little child and then spin it around like he's in a washing machine?
That's funny.
Sonic told him not to, but he didn't listen.
What kind of nose has bro got?
Bro got that nose all time. Now bro got those like Jack Nicholson lines around his mouth. Like Jack Nicholson Joker. Jack Nicholson goes for a ride.
It's just Bart Simpson.
It's basically Adam.
Oh no! Hi, Mr. White Christmas.
No, it's entering the soap. Help me. It's filling up with water. My kitchen is distorting from the water.
It looks so awesome.
Papa.
Dumbest video ever.
He's Sinterklaas.
You draw the scout.
For the ending with the shred that. Bro got that Pringle-shaped head. Pringle
It's
scout.
Jeremy.
McDonald. Nice.
He's Mario.
This will be nice.
Gotta go fast.
Butt cheeks.
Nuclear explosion.
I like how you guessed it. My first thought was butt cheeks. Oh, you made the Dilbert nuclear explosion.
No.
The Dilbert apocalypse.
You gotta stretch his nose.
Oh, I broke it.
Now you see, this apocalypse is where our society is currently headed. Scott Adams.
Got rid of the nuke.
Owned.
There's a head crab.
I agree.
True? We have 4 minutes left. Soomlarr, you gotta draw weed being legal in TF2.
Alright. Wait, I
And then
gotta
after-
get a reference picture.
You could draw that, but then you also gotta draw free crack.
Free crack!
Whoa!
Let's go get some free crack.
Let's going hard so far.
Oh, I thought you were gonna just do the troll face.
Oh, this is so awesome so far. Weed is now legal in TF2. Minecraft just got updated.
This will be the thumbnail.
Hey everyone, welcome to Funny. Oh, wait. Hey everyone, welcome to Funny Photos. Became Peter Griffin.
No, that's Homer.
No, it's the soldier. We're in Team Fortress 2.
I can't do
Okay,
Homer.
what was the other thing I should do?
Free crack in TF2. I love that style of mouth.
Curled in
Small
lips.
mouth.
I can't remember what side the headset is on, so just pretend that's a headset.
Okay.
Gamer headset. Dude's on Xbox 360 chat calling people noobs.
Y'all just gotta draw like a bag.
I gotta draw the bag around it.
He's reaching out with his claw.
Oh, it ran out, so it's just kind of in a jar.
It works.
Jar of crap.
It just looks like a worm.
It's a tissue
I
box.
love crack worm.
Wait.
It's so awesome. Awesome.
Oh, he's melting. This is what crack does to you kids.
He is the tar.
Oh,
His crack
He's
got
a string.
slurped.
Alright,
String.
one last one for the video.
Thanks. 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 Thanks.
Yo, Grimace if he had a dumpy.
Alright, well, I guess it's time we should finally probably play the game.
Actually, yeah, you're right.
You know, we'll start
I've
a
been
new
waiting.
save
I've
right
been waiting
here.
so long. I want to play Mario.